I'm Pete Gianino, an attorney with Paule, Camazine, and Blumenthal. This presentation is about the National Interest Waiver. The National Interest Waiver immigration category is an important opportunity to obtain lawful permanent residency, or a green card, for people who have been recognized on a national or international landscape. The National Interest Waiver allows candidates to self-petition for the immigration benefit. That means an employer is not required for sponsorship. This tends to make the process easier and quicker for individuals who are able to qualify for the benefit. Who is eligible? The eligibility requirements are based on the applicant's track record of success and achievement in the field, as well as the potential impact of the applicant's work on the U.S. national interest. There are no restrictions on country nationality or country of citizenship in terms of eligibility for the waiver. There are no specific limitations about what fields of endeavor the National Interest Waiver applies to. However, some examples of common fields for the waiver include science, engineering, medicine, and even art. What do you need to prove? To be eligible for the National Interest Waiver, you need to satisfy three basic requirements. First, you must be intending to work in the U.S. in a field which is of substantial intrinsic merit. Second, the proposed impact of your work must be national in scope, so that the benefit you would bring to the country would be felt nationally. Third, you must show that waiving the labor certification requirement would benefit the national interests of the United States. This third requirement is typically the most difficult requirement to satisfy. Essentially, you must show a past record of specific prior achievements that indicate the prospect of future benefits to the country's national interest. Common types of evidence which are presented to satisfy the third requirement are copies of published articles that cite to or otherwise recognize your achievements, copies of grants or other funding you have received, documentation of awards you have received for your work, documents showing how your work is being implemented by others, including letters written by experts in your field, patents or licenses granted to you, and many other documents. If you'd like to learn more about the National Interest Waiver, please do not hesitate to contact me. And remember, the choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely upon advertisements.